So this is my website. I'm promoting for my services. This is called I can advertise my business using for LinkedIn article. Any LinkedIn profile, we can promote your business totally 4 ways. One is called link base, video uploading, document uploading, and article uploading. Total will be 4 ways. You can promote your post will be link, nothing but YouTube link, website link, any other. This will be promote your images, videos, documentation. Final will be article. In this, we can't promote by images on your content. So we can promote to post will be promoted by images. So that is called we can promote by videos and documentation and article. Most people are promoting for article purpose of they can build your keyword and the two reason. Promote your website traffic. Second one, increase your LinkedIn connection purpose. Any connection will improve by based on your article. Based on your article. Now click for LinkedIn article. Here they build your LinkedIn followers means connections. Second, build your website traffic based on your article. First, you can add your image. Add your image. So select in this image here. Again, go to specific folder. I'm selecting for image option. Any image we can add your logo is a mandatory. People can recognize easily. After that, increase your image size, exact size. After that, digital marketing services. So I'm writing this question. So why small business select digital marketing services? Here I'm asking question. How is not right? My question is why small business select your small services? That is called I can give total answer in this with everything here. Finally, we can give the total information in a stepwise, point-wise. We're writing for everything. See this one. People know this. Why choose digital marketing? Why choose for Rakesh Solutions is a company? Why choose for your digital main kind of channels? That will be educate, engage with your potential users, increase your web traffic, provide your valuable information, building trust, customer reviews, and grow your online community. Main 9 is for digital marketing. Create brand awareness to generate potential leads through advertising means organic or paid. So this will be finally you can touch your services and people coming to your business will be here. You can promote your brand and we promote your everything. So total content will be there. So copy this total content. In a total content, I can give by anchor text means hyperlink. Why? Because if anyone click the content, they're going to where in my website purpose. Search here. Link, click for apply. So anyone click your content, they're going to where our website. So finally, copy. Now click for paste. Here we can add up to 700 keywords on your option. Now click for publish. Once article will be published on your in this, so automatically generated by your keyword. Automatically generated by your keyword. Now you can check your keyword. Why small business select digital marketing services? So automatically keyword built by your LinkedIn. This article will be showing for our search engine also. You can share it by social media. You share it by social media. Share by Facebook. Share by Facebook. In this, you can write down here. You can share on Facebook. Totally will be 6 options: timeline, friends timeline, private message, event message, share by page. Last will be shared by group. So select here. I'm selecting story and newsletter. Select here. Hashtag. Add your story. Click for post. Here two advantages. The showing for story and news feed. Now click for post to your Facebook. Done. Next call. So after sharing, you can check by your Twitter and Facebook profile also. I will be sharing my article. Now you can share by your Twitter wall. Keep it on your hashtag. Click for tweet. After that, just go to your Twitter account. Go to your tweet page. Sorry, they're going to tweet. The article will be showing will be like this. Why small business select digital marketing services. So that is called your article will be showing to people on your this. Suppose you have question. Can I share same as to your LinkedIn profile? Can I share or not? Your question will be. So this is my LinkedIn article. Can I show my LinkedIn profile wall? Simple here. The option call is share. Click for LinkedIn. You can share by your LinkedIn and Twitter and Facebook. So when sharing for Twitter will be option. So any shading will be LinkedIn will be two reasons. One is for public purpose. Second will be sent by private message to any users. Any users. Select your post. Add your hashtag. After that, share by your options will be given. Anyone nothing but any user, new user and existing your connections. Suppose you can share your options only for your connections. You target by only for your LinkedIn friends. Suppose LinkedIn will be 100 friends. You can target by only for 100 friends. Select by your option will be here. This will be showing for cursor. Anyone, anyone plus Twitter and connection only means your LinkedIn friends only. So always select by the anyone plus Twitter. Now click for done. Editing will be done by two things. One is the LinkedIn profile. Second will be connected by your Twitter profile wall also. Is it clear? This is called you can promote your article for building on your keywords, promote your business, and promote your website traffic purpose. Finally, you can click your link. You're going to finally come into your website. Here, three reasons. LinkedIn followers you can generate for website traffic. Finally, getting for leads. Lead will be is a common. So you are promoting for two. One is LinkedIn connection purpose. Second will be brand your website traffic with the keyword purpose. Please note down.